It took me actual years of working in e-commerce to figure out the difference between dropshipping and print on demand. And now I've made this video so you can learn in minutes instead of years. If you're wondering which one is right for you, stick around. My name is Elizabeth, and today I'll cover how each model works, their pros and cons, and which one could best support your business goals. First up, let's talk about print on demand, or POD. It's one of many product fulfillment methods out there for those who want to sell them. With this model, products are made to order. In essence, you get to pick a t-shirt, mug, or any customizable item from a supplier and put your own design on it. You can then list it online to be sold to customers, and the custom product gets created only after the order is placed. POD allows you to sell items designed by you without holding any inventory, and it also takes away the upfront cost of bulk production. Your supplier will fulfill orders for you, including packaging them up and even shipping them out. Now let's compare that to dropshipping. With this fulfillment method, you also don't have to stock or ship the products, but you don't get to customize them either. Dropshipping involves selling ready-made products made by the supplier. When someone buys from you, you pass that order on to the supplier, who ships the products directly to the customer. You're simply the middleman managing the storefront and the marketing. It's an easy and often affordable way to offer a wide range of products across virtually any category. However, since you're reliant on third-party suppliers, you may have less control over product quality and shipping times. So as you might already realize, dropshipping and print on demand have major similarities. It's really no wonder people often confuse the two. Both of these business models take the production-related aspects off your shoulders. That means you don't have to deal with stocking products, buying raw materials, maintaining production tech, choosing packaging materials, testing products, and so on. There's a lot that goes into manufacturing, so having a partner do it for you is a fantastic way for many businesses to operate. But POD and dropshipping are definitely not interchangeable. The technical difference between them is product customization, which may be a huge deal for you on its own. It also creates some extra distinctions you should consider. Most importantly, it impacts what you'll be competing on. With custom print-on-demand items like apparel, homeware, or artwork, people will buy the product because they like the design more than others in the market. But with ready-made products, it kind of all comes down to price. Not having to customize anything may be easier, but it also means tougher competition and lower margins. In addition to the competition aspect, you have to consider product quality and consumer perception. These really go hand in hand here. Many people associate dropshipping products with low-quality items. That's because many stores that use dropshipping focus on cheap options to be able to compete on price. Of course, regardless of your business model, you have to choose a reliable supplier. But it's easier to go for quality in print-on-demand, where low prices aren't the most important selling point. There are a few more nuances we could talk about, but this is it for the really important stuff. If you want a more detailed breakdown, I'll leave a link below to a thorough blog post. Now that we've compared the two, let's talk about which one is right for you. Choosing between POD and dropshipping comes down to your business goals and skills. If you're an artist, musician, or online creator, it makes more sense to create a brand around unique, custom designs. So print on demand is your best bet. But if you're a practical entrepreneur that doesn't have design experience or doesn't want to spend the extra time, you'd probably be happier with dropshipping. Regardless of what you choose to do, you'll need a supplier and a storefront. Remember to only work with partners that you trust. The last thing you want is damaged or delayed products, unreliable payouts, or even scams. Here at Printful, we've spent over a decade making sure that our customers can succeed through rigorous quality control and reliable fulfillment. We also have more than 20 storefront integrations to make your shop work seamlessly. If you're leaning towards print on demand, I'll add links to our product catalog and integration list down below so that you can explore your options. I hope this video helped you understand the differences and figure out what to choose. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful information on building your online business, and in the meantime, happy selling!